morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start topic division. On page number 47, an example has been given of division by single digit numbers. Divide 8472 by 4. Check whether the answer is reasonable. First, we will learn how to divide the numbers by single digit numbers. Here, this is the method to write the number, and then we will start dividing from thousands place. 4, here 4 is the divisor, and we have to divide 8. 4 2s are 8. We will put minus sign here and subtract 8 minus 8, and answer of the subtraction will be 0. Then we will take 4. Then 4 1s are 4. And the next step, here we will subtract 4 minus 4, answer will be 0. Then we will take the next number, that is 7. 4 1s are 4. Again subtraction, 4 minus 4, that is answer will be 3. The number is 3, and the next number is 2. 3 2, that will be 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32, 0. And here this number is called quotient. The quotient is 2118. There is no remainder. Here you can see no number is remaining for division. Now, to check if the number is reasonable, we estimate the value of 8472 divided by 4. On next page, we will round off 8472 to the nearest 100. That is, multiply by 4 easily, as 400 is the multiple of 4. Then we will divide mentally as we have learned before. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 0 and 4 0. The estimated value of 2100 is close to the actual value of 2118. So the answer is reasonable. Now we will solve this on a whiteboard. These students, on page number 49 in practice zone, the question number 1 is find the quotients and remainders. Then check whether your answers are reasonable. We will learn about division to find the quotient and remainder, and we will solve these questions on whiteboard. Then you have to solve it by yourself and write the answers and the fill in the blanks on your book. Let's start. Dear students, rotate your cell phones. We will divide 4281 by 3. First we will start from here. 3 1s are 3. We have to choose the number smaller or equal with the number that has to be divided. Then we will subtract 4 minus 3. We will have 1, and then we will write 2 here. 3 4s are 12. 0, and the next number 8. Which number that is smaller or equal to 8 in table of 3? Yes. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, that is 2. And 1 is remaining here. Is any multiple of 3 is less than or equal to 21? Yes. 3 sevens are 21. When we will subtract 21 minus 21, we will have 0 as remainder. The second part is 5623 divided by 7. We will divide this figure by 7. First, we can see 5 is smaller than 7, so we have to divide 56 by 7. Any number that is equal or less than 56 in table of 7? 8. 7 8s are 56. The next step is subtraction. 56 minus 56, we will get 0. And the second number is 2. Is any number in table of 7 that is less than or equal to 2? No. We will multiply 7 with 0 and 7. 7 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, we will get 2. And 3, 23. Now we have to divide 23 by 7. Any number that is less than or equal to 23? 7 3s are 21. 23 minus 21? Yes, 2. 2 is the remainder. We will write the answer as 803 or for remainder 2. I hope you understand the concept. You have to practice these questions and then solve it by yourself neatly on your book. On page number 50, question number 3 is also same. Find the quotients and remainders. Students, do the question number 3 on your neat notebook. Write CW date and date, topic and page number and full statement of question number 3. Now, A part is 2748 divided by 4. In same pattern we have done on whiteboard. Here, first we will start from thousands place. Here you can see 2 is the smaller than 4. So, we will divide 27 by 4. 4 6 are 24. Then we will subtract 24 from 27. We will get 3. And then we will write 4 with 3, 34. Find the number in table of 4 that is less than or equal to 34. 4 8s are 32. We will subtract 32 from 34. We will get 2. And we will write 8 with 2. Again we will find the number less than or equal to 28. As we know, 4 7s are 28. And then the same pattern, 28 minus 28, we will get 0 in remainder. In part B, 5931 divided by 3. We can divide 5 by 3 as 3 ones are 3 and we will get 2 and 9 will be on the left side of right side of 2. That will be 29. Then we will again find the number less than or equal to 29. 3 9s are 27. After subtraction we will get 2. Again we will write 3 on the right side of 2. 23. 3 sevens are 21. Again we get 2 in remainder and we will write the remaining number 1 with 2. That will be 21. 3 sevens are 21. 21 minus 21, remainder will be 0. In C part, 4219. 4 is less than 7, so we will divide 42 by 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42, answer will be 0. We will write 1 with 0. As 1 is less than 7, so we will multiply 7 zeros are 0. And 1 minus 0 will be 1. And the next number 9 with 1. 1 9, 19. So 7 twos are 14. The remainder will be 5. The quotient is 602 and the remainder is 5. In the same pattern, part D. Dear students, question number 3 from part A to part F are given in this video and the answer key will be also given with this video lecture. You have to practice. You can ask the question if you have any query. Have a good day. Do your CW very neatly on your book and notebook. Allah Hafiz.